random whatever, which is part of an old build that I have since destroyed. And I'm going to be making part of the Biosyn tunnel system. And this is going to be the entrance to the train. So I'll show you an example of how we're going to turn some random whatever into something cool.
Can you tell me what random whatever is?
Random whatever. Random whatever. This is acceptable. This is the elevator or train. This is the train. What is in that bowl? I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect paper mache. You will need salt, flour, and some water. First, you pour out some flour in your bowl. Now, when you're mixing up your paper mache, you only want to mix up the right amount, because there's nothing worse than a half bowl of paper mache lying around, because it's going to get gross. And one way you prevent it from getting gross after application is with salt, because salt kills living things and preserves things, and you want to kill all the living things inside of your paper mache, and you want to preserve it. Salt kills things. That's good. Once you've got your mix done well, this is about the consistency that I usually use. A little bit of a drip here. Do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor and never use something like that. Every time I've ever seen anyone in a school or like a craft show do paper mache, they're like, use some newspaper. You know what? That's the stupidest thing ever. Do not use newspaper. Don't use newspaper. Don't use newspaper. Don't use newspaper. You know what used to be the best paper mache pages ever? There was a store called Sears, and Sears catalogs used to be the best paper mache pages. And then they shut down, and I couldn't get any more Sears catalogs, and I didn't know what I was going to do. And then I discovered that wrapping paper is almost identical to Sears catalogs. Alright, so this is what I got done for today. Everything red is the new paper mache. Everything I got done today is red paper mache.
COVID-19.
Did you skip some stuff? I feel like you skipped some things.
I was really busy, okay? I'm sorry. I just didn't have time to do it. Making videos takes a lot of effort. And I was really busy this week. My kids are going to visit relatives, and I had to, it was really hot at work, and I had to wear a paint suit. It was excruciatingly, it just zapped all my energy. So, like, I don't know, man, but I'm sorry. I'll try not to do it again.
Yes, I'm sorry. I skipped a step or two. I got overzealous in my build. What I did actually was I worked really late, and I came home a bunch of nights in a row, and I just worked on this late at night, and my kids are asleep and stuff. So it was too late to be rummaging around with tripods and film equipment. But I mean, I want to start making longer format videos anyway to kind of give a better look at what I'm doing. So this is the first step, I guess, to making longer videos like that. So here we have the Ambermine, the entrance. It's not complete. I gotta tweak it a little bit too. I'm gonna put some dirt in on the floor. So we have our have our train track here. I still have to make a little train cart, because I believe there's one in that elevator door area place. Speaking of which, let's just take this out right now. So it's pretty simple. Just wooden rectangles glued together, some square wooden dowels put in up here for the bars, and this is just Bristol board, right? Paint it orange, and there's gonna go dirt goes on the floor. These are just two simple wood glued doors, and I've got these little things here on the bottom. I think I might have to raise them up a little bit though to go over the track properly. Gotta raise those up to go over the track properly.
COVID-19.
I'm pretty happy with the way the light is bleeding in. And these doors, I mean, in a perfect world, they would be automated. Come out of that mine shaft, Mr. Alan Grant, so I can try to kill you, said the Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon is my favorite non-dinosaurian because Dimetrodon was the first figure that I got from the original Jurassic Park. Dimetrodon was the first dinosaur, which is not a dinosaur, and Dennis Nedry was the first human, which is not a human. What about this? Well, now this is going to take a little bit longer. I just put the paint on, and I've got some of this greenery here that I'm going to start gluing in today. So this one is not going to be done. All right, okay. You've been digging underground. Is that where you've been? You've been underground? You in the Ambermines? Are you in the Ambermines? This is a larger section of the Ambermines. I made it to be diverse as well. So, meaning I can like throw some palm trees in there and some bushes and dirt and make it just a part of a jungle, or I can make it look like it's underground, I guess, and look like it's part of a mine. And there's another cool aspect to it. And with any luck, we'll get a really good depth shot in a cave. The Amber Mines. Amber Mine. Looking for some amber? It's Indiana Jones? Is it a Halo level? Is it Call of Duty? Who knows? It could be any of those things. The magic of paper mache.